say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So the best way to show someone how much you care is by making breakfast for them. And today I'm making for Mark a sausage, egg, and cheese English muffin. I'm gonna use arugula. I've got English muffins, butter. I've got 1 egg. I've got bacon and sausage, cheese, and tomatoes. So when I crack the egg, it's going to stay in the circle, and it works perfectly on the English muffin. But if you don't have that, you can certainly scramble an egg. I'm going to put butter so my egg doesn't stick. And then as soon as it melts, I'm going to crack my egg. Okay, I have my egg. I've been making this breakfast for years. Just change it up a little bit. Maybe make it once or twice a week, sometimes for both of us, sometimes just for Mark. Okay, while the egg is cooking, I'm going to toast the English muffin. Okay, now I'm going to grab the English muffins, or English muffin, because there's just one. Okay, I like to butter it because Mark likes butter on each of them. I'm going to bring over, I think we like the sausage on the bottom. I like to put some ingredients on each side. Okay, we have bacon also. Do you want your bacon on the side?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I cooked that earlier. I have arugula. See, my egg's almost ready. There we go. I could have some on each side. Now I just take the ring away. All right, now I'm going to put it on top of my sandwich. Let me put that down. Let me guide it with this. Oh, that looks good. Okay.
Well, this is one of my favorites. Brigita makes this classic breakfast for me at least once a week, usually on a weekend, and I always enjoy it.
I actually do too. Today I'm just making it for him and for the video, but it's going to get eaten.
I will say it's a little bit of a mess when you eat it, so probably not going to show you eating all of it on camera, but I'll get that first good, delicious bite in there. Mm-hmm. But in the meantime, I want to say thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already done that through the video.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you, Brigita.
Yep, we want to grow this channel.
All right, let's give this a squeeze and break the yolk, and then yum.
Oh my gosh, look at the plate. Look at how good that looks.
Oh my gosh.
So sometimes they'll put the bacon in the sandwich. We don't always have sausage, so sometimes it's just bacon, sometimes no bacon or sausage. You can make this however you want. You're probably gonna make it on the weekends where you have a little more time, but it did not take long at all. But of course, I've been making this for a long time.
Brigita shreds her cheese.
Yep.
So we always have different cheese and always
But you could use a slice
tomatoes
even.
and all kinds of whatever's in season.
Right.
Delicious.
Exactly.
Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah. We'll see you again next time with another great video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lost again, going back around. Dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart, halfway